don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Disney. Happy birthday, Mickey! It was Mickey's birthday. He looked out the window and saw his friends. They were all carrying party decorations. Mickey turned to Pluto.
Gosh, I wonder if they're throwing me a birthday party.
Mickey got dressed. Just then, there was a knock at the door. It was Donald.
Hi, Mickey. I need your help. Could you come with me?
Mickey nodded.
Of course, Donald. Let's go.
Mickey followed Donald. He wondered if Donald was taking him to his birthday party. But Donald did not take Mickey to a party. Donald took Mickey to his backyard.
Look at my hammock. It's broken.
Mickey happily helped Donald fix his hammock. Soon, Minnie and Daisy showed up. Minnie took Mickey by the arm. We have something to show you, Mickey. Daisy smiled and grabbed Mickey's other arm. Mickey wondered if Minnie and Daisy were taking him to his birthday party. But Minnie and Daisy did not take Mickey to a party. They took him to their garden. Minnie pointed to the flowers. Our garden needs to be watered. Would you like to help us? While Mickey helped Minnie and Daisy in the garden, Goofy stopped by.
Hurry, Mikey! You've got to come see this!
Mickey went with Goofy. He wondered if Goofy was taking him to his birthday party. But Goofy did not take Mickey to a party. He wanted to show Mickey a snail race. Goofy pointed at the snails.
Look at them go! Have you ever seen anything so exciting?
Mickey was confused. He looked at Pluto.
Gosh, maybe I was wrong. I guess there is no party.
When Mickey got to his house, he opened the door and found all his friends inside. Surprise! They were throwing him a birthday party after all. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mickey. Happy birthday to you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Disney stories, check out my Disney Mickey Minnie Mouse playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for your support. Stay safe, and we'll see you all next time.